Hi everyone, welcome to Vedic Astro Mind. Yeah, this is my fifth video. I'm going to discuss today where you can see this birth chart, Kundali, divisional chart, Navamsha chart, where the planets are there, which angle they are, in which house they are. So in my previous video, if you see third and fourth video, I have told you which sign signifies which one. It is a Sattvic, or which is a trader sign, which is a Rajasic, and which is Tamasic. So all those things I have discussed, many things about each zodiac signs and also a planet, but where you can see those things. Many are asking this doubt, and also I apologize, many were asking why you have not made next video. I was so busy in my career, so and today I'm going my fifth video. This is what I'm going to discuss. In that software, if you just give your birth day and time and location, you will get where the planets are there at the time of your birth, and even at present also you will see. So that is what I'm going to discuss today. So even I'll share my screen record. So there are two types of one app which will give you authentic data of where the planets are there, at which angle, which degree are there, and it won't give you divisional chart. There are many divisional charts. If you want to consider, if you want to see any one concept, what is your interest on education, what is your interest on love, what is your interest on money, finance, and art and culture and creativity, mind thinking, everything is depend on many divisional charts. If you want to go in depth, you have to see more charts, but basic chart is birth chart. At the time of birth, where the planets are there, which angle they are there, from that you can do further calculations with a lot of additional calculations are there. From that you can create your own divisional chart, or else there is a software application also for that. For that I am going to use the Kundali software, and for to see where the planets are there, simple birth chart, the best app is Hindu Calendar. I am not marketing any application, any Android application. I am not marketing, just this is what I am using for looking my birth chart or any other birth chart, or to see what is the present status of the planets. So that's today I am going to tell you same thing about Hindu calendar. Just I'll finish it fast because I don't want to skip more time on that. Yeah, you can go just check Hindu calendar. If you open Hindu calendar app, you will see the lot of video like month view, panchang, festivals, Maitithi, Kundali, matchmaking, Jyotisha, Hindu time, setting information, share and feedback. And matchmaking, I'll tell you which is why it is very beneficial for you. If anyone are looking for matchmaking in your home, or you are in love with anyone, you just input two inputs, if boys birthday and time, girls birthday and time, then you will get a few things. If you see the number out of 36 feet is above 18, then you consider it is okay for marriage or love. Then you can further consult an astrologer, or if you learn this astrology knowledge that is best, you can decide what will happen in your love, what is the beneficial in your love, and where you can take, because some chart from the girl chart there is a lot of advantages happening for boys, similarly from boy charts for girl also. If you are a boy, if you have a malefic sun is in a debilitated state, and if girls having an exalted state, 50% of her energy will pass it to you after marriage. That's because of the Lord Shiva and Parvati. They both are 50-50, Ardhangi, they tall. So that's the what lot of meanings are there. I don't want to discuss today about that. Today I'll just give you an overview of software. And what is Kundali birth chart? I was going to tell you that. If you just press Kundali, you will see a date of birth and time information. And if you feed date of birth, if you can just, I'll just make 2030, or I don't want to go past, you can go if you don't want to go future, you can go to past, just go to 1947. And if you want to just go to August also, just our Independence Day, August 15, you can select and you will get the details. At that time what is the Rashi, zodiac, and also that time what is the Lagna, you can see Lagna also. And what is the Lagna here, it is Makara, it is 4 degree, means I told you where you can see the ascendant at eastern horizon point, where it can see first sunrise, that angle is nothing but Lagna angle. And those things also can see in your Kundali houses also. These are what I told you, 12 houses. It's starting from Aries, and again Taurus and Gemini and Cancer, further to species. So here Lagna is, you can see it is a Capricorn Lagna, and that is, you can see the symbol ascendant, the triangular ascendant in Capricorn. You can just change the time for further 2 hours. You can see the Lagna is moved from Capricorn to Aquarius. So ascendant is moving every 2 hours, one house. I also told them each degree it takes 4 minutes to Muda Lagna means that's what earth rotation towards the sun. It's not earth rotation around the sun, it's earth rotation just to see the sun on the eastern horizon. Yeah, and you can see where the planets are there in these planets are in Sanskrit word like Rahu, Mangal and Buddha, Shukra, Shani, Surya, Chandra and Guru and Ketu. These are all Sanskrit names. I'll give you one more chart where it shows us English name and Sanskrit name of planets, so you will understand easily. So this is the South Indian chart with 12 houses and the that Lagna will be moving, and you can see where are the planets, and depending on that planet on that house you can give your character, and you can, this is at the birth of time. If you just go present, if you just see the present, if you just want to see present, just go back and again come to Kundali, you will see the present, and present you can see where are the planets. From present planets and your birth chart planets, if you combine both with numbers, reading only clockwise, just it's a completely mathematics and understanding its significance, you will able to understand what you are and what you can do at your present situation depending on your planets. Definitely that will go. The most difficult for human is to take a decision. Two decision, you have to take one decision, very hard, and which decision definitely make him success is the best way that he can choose. The next thing I'm going to say is, if you just see many things are there, which yoni, which nadi and which gana and which varana, these all things are depending for your character. If you see here yoni, it is now it is what this time it's called a snake. If the snake yoni means it is lot of significance there. If you are relating to your marriage status, if it is yoni, you cannot get a couple with the yoni of rat, because snake will eat rat, so their chemistry will not match. Their chemistry means their lifestyle with romantic or anything, it won't match because they always quarrel. So like this you can match two couples and you can say it is beneficial or not beneficial. So like that, and you can also see where are the planets in which house of zodiac, and even in here in the zodiac Rashi is also given in Sanskrit. I will give you list Sanskrit name and Kannada name, or Sanskrit name and English name, so that you will definitely understand better in two languages also. Yeah, and sun, it is in 277 degree, and Chandra is 78 degree. I told you from 0 to 30 degree is first house, from 30 to 60 degree is second house. All the angles you can see, Buddha 284, Shukra 256, Mangal 25 degree. You can see Mangal 25 degree, it is in first house. Yes, Mangal is in first house from Aries. But when you are calculating which house these planets are, you need to calculate from Lagna only, ascendant. Ascendant is your first house, second house, third house, fourth house, fifth house, sixth house, eighth house, ninth house, 10th and 11th. So like that you have to calculate, and I told you what are these houses signifies, first house, second house, third house. So this really important to understand really what yourself, your knowledge here, your career here, your strength has. Many even ask why this astrology knowledge is important. It's not astrology to predict someone. I told you in my first video, it's to know about yourself, your strength, because we all study a same syllabus, same concept, same knowledge, same teacher, same thing for all 60 students to 100 students, but 100% they are all not equal brains. They all brains are different. Some are really interested in sports, some are really interested in dancing, some are really interested in arts, and some are really interested in fashion, lot of things, and some are really interested in being a cop, and some are low energetic and want to be in party leader, elect political. Lot of things are meant to be on himself. But if you don't have that knowledge what you have to be, then you can't be what you are. That God won't come to you and He will not give you, you would be do this. You have to get yourself what you are. For that, this is the best science to give you what you are really capable of. And yes, and not only these things in this application, lot of things are there. I can just go view. I'll just see month view also. What is month view? In month view, you can see which is the waning moon and waxing moon. I told you, waxing moon is a benefic and waning moon is a malefic. So from that, we can see which condition, which day it is a waxing moon. And waxing moon, definitely you have a good mind capability in your birth chart also. If your moon is very strengthened, you have a lot of mind lust is there, and mind focus will be there on any thing. Whatever you consider on that day, your mind really focused and you will achieve it. If your moon is in waxing condition, if your it is waning, you don't take a severe decision, because the decision won't make you to loss. Which state you want to make it to loss, you need to see which house the moon is already present in your birth chart. So like this, you have to control yourself by taking your decision from the wealth of astro science. Yes, and many things are there. You can see past day and present day, many things every month you can do. And there is a panchang also, no need to do panchang, and you can see what is the zodiacs in each belt, and which the lagna it is on carrying, and tithi is which tithi it is there, and paksha, shukla paksha, krishna paksha. Shukla means waxing moon, krishna paksha means waning moon, and which nakshatra it is going on, which month. And ayana means sun rules two ayanas, uttarayana and dakshinayana, 6 months usually sun period. Those things I'll going to discuss everything in coming future videos. And I think this is the best to understand matchmaking. To groom, and you can select bride, you can select. If you just select, you will get some number, and that number is more than 18. You can just not 100% you can make it match for you, but no need to ask astrologer for just simple knowing this. If it is more than 18, you can further. If you really need to know more things, you can ask a very good astrologer, because getting a good astrologer is a lot of difficult. So if you have a knowledge of astrology, no need to ask anyone, or don't show yourself to anyone. Know yourself. That is very easy. This is just a knowledge. It's like one subject about yourself, which make you successful person, which makes you think yourself, and I'll tell you, by making a physical workout, your muscle get improved. Same thing, by getting a spiritual knowledge or Vedas knowledge or science knowledge of yourself, make it your brain strengthen, and you will go towards your spirituality, and you will become really a favorable person for yourself. First of all, not getting impressed by others. Some people try to impress others, some people get happy by impressed by others. These are temporary. A reality of you only know you if you know yourself. That is really best happiness you can never see. That's why I wanted to give you this knowledge, everyone, for free, just to make everyone happy. So this Kali Yuga is so hard. So yes, that's all I wanted to talk. And in my next video, I'm going to discuss the same thing on different application. It is called Kundali, and in Kundali application you can see a lot of things. Many things are there. Just skip I made. I don't not put anything. But if you guess Vedic astrology, if you put some name, Z, and birth time, present time only, and present time only, birthplace any Karnataka or Bangalore, if you just put it, you will just get all the details of your birth chart. And once it is there, I'll just take a register loading, and I don't know which place I have kept, just to show. Yeah, it will give very lot of details. Tomorrow I'll go, sorry, not tomorrow, in my next video I'm going to tell you every details. This is showing you a lot of this astro details, which zodiac, which sign, and again chart. You can see there are a lot of divisional charts, like you have one Hora chart and moon chart, and also called Navamsha chart, Vishamdamsha chart. So this every charts depend on birth chart only. From birth chart, each house has divided to sub angles, and that angle getting a lot of divisional charts. Really, a lot of divisional charts have a lot of significance. Once you understand, it's very beneficial. And also in this app, you can also get to know which is your benefic day, which is your favorable day, and which dasha you are running. Lot of things are there. Yes, from this Kundali app you can get a best knowledge in a deepest way. In Hindu calendar app you will get a birth chart only. From birth chart, lot of calculations have to make to get divisional chart, but this app will give you complete details of divisional chart, everything, but only you need to correlate with the knowledge of astro science. Yes, this is what I want to tell you, and in my next video I'll completely detail explain about Kundali app. And if you just want to see basic birth chart, the Hindu calendar app is best. And also Hindu calendar app will also show you not only birth details or birth chart, it also show you birth dasha also, which dasha it is running. Now you can see dasha period. This is called dasha, means, and if you see now up to this person, Rahu dasha will be happening from 2032 to 2032, and Rahu and Rahu Guru is there. Depending on Rahu placement and depending on his dasha, in dasha if Rahu is very good, he will give very good on those. If Rahu is not in good placement, he will take everything out of that. So that time you need to know which place Rahu is there. If he is getting that, he can take more. If it is Rahu is taking from him, it should not give to him. You can make him safer. By what? By making Rahu beneficial. Just being a vegetarian on Saturday, Rahu is very happy, and also doing some more things are there. I'll tell you when I'm discussing about Rahu, like that. So each planet and its dasha are really important. Everyone life are running with that. you know everyone is not same as same day. Everything is changing and everyone is changing depending on day to day. How? The help of the planets. Yes, this is what I wanted to tell you. In my next video I'll discuss about Astro Kundali software, and yes, in my next video I'll tell you which house the planet is strong and which house the planet is weak. That is really important. Don't miss out to watch the future videos. Yes, bye bye, see you. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.